Hello everyone, my name is Vishal Jaiswal and I'm going to present this data. This is my Uber rides 2016. It was shared on Kaggle by an individual, and it was also the first assignment in my new Cloudy ML's data scientist course, which I have begun to learn. And yeah, so this data includes trip details for one person for the entire year of 2016. It includes various other observations like start date, end date, category, start location, stop location, miles, and purpose. These were few features of this data, and when we started to learn about this, I started to learn about this. I realized there were some anomalies in this data which led me to exclude few of the observations, and those anomalies were like mostly where start and stop time was not accurate. Like one observation I can tell you where the user has ridden for 15 miles and start and end time had difference of only 1 minute, so which led to an speed of more than 900 miles per hour. And it was good to remove that data because it was not truly presenting a correct observation. Right. Yeah, the assignment had a few questions along with other questions which were posted on the Kaggle. I have taken those. I'm going to answer those questions based on my understanding and analysis of this data. So the first and second question were kind of related, which said which were asked about start and stop locations. What is the unique number of start and stop locations, along with what are those start and stop locations? So there were 177 unique start locations and 188 unique stop locations. Okay, obviously these many number of observation will not be able to present in this PPT presentation, so I have kept that separately. I would also show you the raw data which was received. These has 7 features and around, yeah, 1155 observations which was processed and led to answer these questions. The third question was here, what are the most famous start and stop location? So for that purpose I have taken top 3 stop and start locations, which can we see here. There were 201 rides which started from Kerry, and there were 203 rides which ended at Kerry. So from Kerry 201 rides and to Kerry 203 rides. So this is the Kerry is the place where most rides started and stopped. After that, fourth question was what is the most frequent route taken? So there was one more anomaly which was like somewhere to and from locations were not appropriately recorded. It said unknown location, which removing those were impacting loss of a lot of data, because of which I did not remove that. I kept it as it is, and with learning about from there we can find out that there were 78 trips taken to an unknown location, and Morrisville to Kerry there were 75 trips, Kerry to Morrisville 67 trips. So I have only taken top 3 because this looked more appropriate. So Kerry to Morrisville is the most frequent route taken. The fifth question was which is the route where highest speed was taken. So we can understand from this line chart which says that West Palm Beach to Palm Beach was the route where speed was highest with 85.20 miles per hour. Next question was the average length of the all of the trips. So average length was 32 miles 67 hours. Question number 7 said, what's number and average of rides per month? So for that we can see this bar chart which represents number of rides taken for each month throughout the year, and we can also observe that most number of rides were taken in December month, where number of rides stood at almost 150, and the lowest number of rides were taken in September, where number of rides stood around 32, and average rides per month were 92.92, which we can also say 95 rides per month. Then next, the what is the percentage of personal and business miles? So here we can see that 94% of the rides were taken for business reason, and only 6% of the rides were taken for personal reason. That is it for this presentation. Thank you.